I'm Angelisa and I absolutely love hitting enduro parks on my dirt bike. I'm heading to Squamish to find some trails to go riding today. So come along, let's see what we can find today. Of course, my husband's the last one to drive my truck.
3 hours later.
Gotta move the seat so I can see the road. Okay, see you on the trails. All right, my weapon of choice to get out of my head are earbuds. Thanks to Sarah Balford for recommending these because they are nice and flat. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. And they fit nicely in my helmet. Weapon of choice, listening to music, getting out of my head. That's what I'm gonna do today. If you want to learn more about these, you can go check out the video over here where I talk about the 2 things that I wear while riding. I'm riding with Shannon today, so we're gonna check out some trails. All right, come on. Woo! Which side are you gonna hit it? This way? Okay. The 3 logs. 3 logs. 1, 2, and 3. That was not pretty. Woohoo! Yes! Yeah!
I think I was letting the second, but what I did, I was like, I'm letting off the gas, or I was pulling in the clutch because I wasn't.
Yeah.
Where I was like just trying to.
Yeah, it's like you have to gas right through it.
Yeah.
Once you get that feeling of your back tire, it's hard to explain, but then that's when I pull in the clutch, then I can lift it. But it's like trusting that the gas is gonna get you over that point.
Because if you do it too early, then I feel like that's when it's like clunk clunk,
Yeah.
or you make it halfway or something. It's just like that.
Yeah. Sick. That's awesome.
Okay.
Good work. out my second ride today. I went with Shannon in the morning and then met with my friends Matt and Carson, and we did the same loop that Shannon and I did. My GoPro died, so I didn't catch any footage, but 2 rides in one day. Self-vibed. Thanks for joining, and I will catch you guys on the next video.